afternoon, sir. My name is Gordon. Project name is Dustbin ATM. Generally, we see ATMs in outsides. If we keep a card, we get money. But it is truly different. If we throw a garbage from here, we get money. So, it is truly useful to the present society. It gives money when we put the trash from here. Without putting trash, it won't use the money. So, it will be the resource point of recycle. This machines put the we promise that it will be a revolutionary in this world, and this will be become a habit to the citizens of the future. And if you implement in the future, it will become one of the more successful mission in the for future for our. Up to now, I told how it is uses, how it is works. Now I will say if we use this mission, what will be reduces. So this mission helps to see the garbage free, and this is the resource point of recycle. This mission reduces the manpower of the local scavengers, and it will be the revolution of the future recycling. Most of the people in our society not have awareness of the cleanliness. They are throwing their dust particles into the river, beside the roads and canals. So they are decomposing and respiration releasing harmful gases like CO2. They are causing health problems to humans and disturbing both environmental. If we use like these missions, there will be no problems. The throwing of dust will be stored into the here down storage. So if we use like these missions, India will become one of the most cleanest country. Our Mahatma Gandhi's freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi's dream was to become India was become one of the most cleanest country. So if we use like this, our India will become one of the most cleanest country like Swachh Bharat and Swasth Bharat. Thank you, sir.
Invincible.